Menteri Rangba Kajilla Konrad K Sangma Hagasngi Pyllait ula Pyllait ba ek program MegNEXT kaban ailad ikinong shnong Kajilla mekin yo lad ban yakren hakanu kapor bat ka sarkar jilla habakidan hakanu gajing ni gijing don kam yakani ka program MegNEXT la Pyllait ba hakajing yalang kabalalong ha convention center ka North Eastern Hill University Shillong campus Lingba kani karinsan kinong shnong kin hapan shu phone ha number iwe kendai nyau iwe man pinsgo ya lagi jong gijing bat gijing don kam ya ka ba ka sarkar kan sakmi bat le ek badon kam kani ka program kadai ka khon jong Menteri Rangba ka jala pala treshi tom ban penia don lang ringkat ya baro kinong shnong ha ka jing trai kam jong ka sarkar jala kani karinsan kan ailat ru ya ka sarkar bakan sngau tho kijing ki scheme kijing trai kam bat kijing shakri jong ka ki ba pher bat ki kam penroi bala pen trai kam hapo ka jala kani karinsan kan ailat iki ba bakin la ekren ya bun kijing kali ya ka sarkar bat ka sarkar kan sngap bat juba ban le ru kijing ki ba kidon
I will tell you MegARISE will be a shining example for the rest of the country to follow. That MegARISE and the states in the Northeast have always been considered as states which cannot perform or do not perform. I want to get rid of that tag. And I'm telling you, we are slowly succeeding. Today, Government of India, certain departments are appreciating the way MegARISE is moving forward. The way MegARISE is setting standards, the way MegARISE is innovating, and we are showing the way for the rest of the country in many fields. While many challenges are there, and it will take us time to clear and to move forward in all of them, but we have made a very good and positive start, and in order for us to move in that direction, and as I said, be one of the leading states in the country, we will all need to work together.